Hello everybody, how's it going? Mike Sandoval out here with Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. We got this beautiful swimming pool out here in Chandler, Arizona. As you can see, it was already beautiful, but we're gonna make it prettier, okay? We've got this area over here. We've got this Baja step. We're gonna really try to get some bubblers in here so we can utilize it as a Baja step with a couple of bubblers for the kids. I think they'll like it. We're gonna come on over here. We had a pot with a pedestal right here. We removed the pedestal. We're gonna relocate the gas line. We're gonna do a huge water feature right here. You're gonna have the steps going up over there. You're gonna have the cascading water feature right here that you can go into almost like a cave. And we're gonna do a fire pit over here. We're gonna do a see-through fire pit. We're gonna be able to see through it. It's gonna have fire coming out of it. You come on over here, you've got the swim-up bar. Instead of the 4 benches right here, we're gonna do a bench, one long bench so you can sit on it. And you can go ahead and access the bar right there. We're gonna resurface this interior finish. It's gonna go a mini pebble interior finish. New waterline tile. So basically it's gonna be a brand new pool when we're all done. It's gonna have the nice swim up bar here. It's gonna have the Baja step. And of course the focal point is gonna be a nice, new, huge cascading water feature with steps going to the top. And you're also gonna have the fire pit over here to the left. Color LED lights, all ran by Hayward Automation, folks. When this thing is done, it's gonna be unbelievable. It's gonna be a showstopper for sure. Stand by for completed pics and videos. Thanks for watching.